Hey guys, what is up? Hey guys, what is up? The Grand Mouse 15 here. Oh, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Good. Okay, so we are going to continue from where we left off last time. As you can see, we are already plowing through the opposition. Now, I want to go ahead and apologize. I know I haven't done any gaming in like a day or two. 3 days, perhaps. I don't know. But I haven't done it in like a day or two at least. So, we are finally back playing some more games. I know it hasn't been too long, but still I do want to apologize for that. Probably should turn this up here. Get a better sound. No, you don't. Huh. Okay, I'm just getting mowed down right now. Nanotech! There's another guy yelling for help. Sorry, bro. I can't offer that kind of help. You want help? I'm not the guy to come asking help for. Whoa! What in the... Yeah, come on. We got this. Woo! Come on. Oh, I know your moves, bro. You made that too easy. That was the easiest boss battle ever. That right there is the title of the video. The easiest boss battle ever. That's the title. 100%. That's the title of this video now. Let me get rid of that glare. All the time with the glares on the screen. Oh, no, hey! I wasn't paying attention, cheater. See, the AI be cheating. What is that over there? Let's just grab this stuff first, then we can move on to wondering what in the world is it's a gadget. Dynamo.
The dynamo activates machinery. Press circle to use the dynamo to zap that activator.
Ah. Open sesame.
Thank you for choosing Megacorp for our customers first.
Why do I highly doubt what you just said? It's too easy.
To center the camera, tap L1.
Ah.
Shirt and shoes.
Get off of me! In my house. Come on. Oh, I remember this part. What a pain. Okay, that wasn't that bad. See, I remember how to play this game.
Service to anyone.
Oh, we're running. We're doing some parkour. Oh, come on. Okay, we're gonna beat this. Parkour is my new enemy. Nah, haha, you can't beat me.
Come in. Are you there?
Copy, Mr. Fizzwidget.
Listen, I have some new information on our experiment's wherewithal. The thief was indemnified at Megacorp's Mactar Resort. Also, the thugs have towed a moon-sized jamming array into Mactar Resort orbit.
Should I take it out?
Fabulous! It's disconfabulating our annual Galactic Gladiators broadcast. See for yourself.
Yeah, no.
Ask yourself, are you man enough, hero enough?
Yeah, no, I don't think I can have that audio in this. And I have to get rid of that. And also, what do I do? Did the subtitles turn themselves off since last time I was here? You serious? Yeah, I'm sorry. You'll have to find the actual audio somewhere else. I don't. Why did it turn off the subtitles? I had those on. What are you looking at? Here we go.
Blade, huh? I've got the coordinates. Ratchet out.
Okay. You sure you got the coordinates? Oh, well, I just fessed that one up. Whatever. Let's collect some coins here. Okay. Or nanobolts. What do you call it? I done forgot. Yeet.
To view missions still available, press select or R3 to access your map. Then press X to open the mission screen.
Yada yada yada. There's another part to this. Through here. It is. We still have more to do here. That was some good aiming. It's all in the professionalism. Move out the way, punk. Move out the... Ow! Hey!
Press select or R3.
I'm a VIP. You don't dare touch me. Holy crap. There's a lot of you. So you think you'll get to my way? Unlikely. We can go ahead and... If we get through this, we can go ahead and get Oozla out of the way. Nope. No, you don't. Oh, crap. Forgot about this. Once again, shout out to the Ratchet and Clank fans out there. This game is a classic. Okay. You're no challenge. Go back to where you came from. And that's what you call a pathetic enemy. Let's go. You better not be a troll or anything. Did I just see a tree with legs? Yeah, I'm not gonna question the logic of this game anymore. No, no you don't, game. Haha. Woo! Here we go! We get another gadget, don't we? Yes, I remember this.
Welcome. If everyone can take their seats, we can proceed with today's demonstration. First, I'll need a volunteer. Anyone? Excellent. Your name, sir?
Ratchet.
And there you have it. The Megacorp tractor beam in action. Let's give it up for our volunteer. Sir, how about taking advantage of our show special? Thank you, sir. You won't be disappointed.
The tractor beam moves small and medium-sized objects which have glowing orange targets like these. Press circle to move those columns so you can scale the cliff.
Let's put you right about here. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. Okay, it's not a press and hold, it's a press and let go, you know what I mean. Huh. Oh! Woo! Too close. And we got some more nanotech. Grab some more nanotech because it's needed. Wonderful. Well, guys, sadly, we'll have to wait till next time to get to the next part of this. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, be a master, stay a master, and I'll see you guys next time. Good night, everybody. Right quick. 15,000 for the Blitz gun. I want to spend some time trying to get that. Alright? But once again, good night, everybody. Or good day, depending on where you live. I don't know. I just say good night because that's what I usually say. Anyways, bye.